You ever notice how hamsters run full speed on those little wheels and get absolutely nowhere? Yeah, it turns out that's a perfect metaphor for most people's finances. You work hard, you bring home a paycheck, and yet, month after month, it's like your bank account gets hit with an invisibility spell. Despite earning consistently, your account balance resets to exactly where it was before payday. And here's the wild part. It's not because you're lazy. It's not even because you spend big. It's one tiny financial habit, so sneaky, so normal looking, it's practically invisible, but it keeps millions of people broke. Forever. The real problem? Lifestyle inflation. This is also known as lifestyle creep. Yup, meet your biggest financial enemy. Lifestyle inflation is when your income goes up and your spending just casually tiptoes up with it. You get a raise? Suddenly your coffee order gets fancier, your apartment bigger, your car shinier. It feels like progress, but it's actually financial quicksand. Imagine your money is a bucket filling up with water. You work, the water pours in. But lifestyle inflation, that's you drilling new holes in the bottom every time you get a raise. You're earning more, but keeping none of it. Let me give you an example. Say you're 25 and you land a job making $50,000. You live pretty modestly, maybe with roommates, eating cheap tacos, using furniture that's mostly assembly required. Then boom, promotion. You're up to $70,000. You feel good, so you upgrade. New solo apartment, a couch that didn't come in a box, maybe even a treat-yourself vacation. Nothing wrong with that, right? Well, sort of, because here's what quietly happens next. Your expenses grow to match your income. So that gap, that magical space where saving and investing lives, shrinks to zero. And now, you're stuck in a loop. More money comes in, more money goes out. And saving? Investing? Those things get pushed to later. But later has a funny habit of never showing up. Because once your lifestyle inflates, it's really hard to deflate it. Nobody wants to go from ordering sushi to reheating frozen burritos, or from a nice sedan to a car that wheezes when you turn left. It's like accidentally signing up for a subscription you can't cancel, except the subscription is to your own upgraded lifestyle. And the trap? It feels responsible. You're paying your bills. You're not going into debt. So you think, hey, I'm doing fine. But meanwhile, that wealthy future version of you, the one chilling with compound interest and no stress, is slowly slipping away. Because wealth isn't about what you earn. It's about what you keep. And if every raise is just an excuse to spend more, you're basically turning opportunity into a shopping list. So in conclusion, the habit that quietly keeps people broke isn't a lack of income. It's letting spending rise every time income does. Lifestyle inflation feels harmless, even deserved. But it's like financial termites, chewing away at your future one treat yourself at a time. Want to build real wealth? Keep your lifestyle stable while your income grows. That gap? That's where the magic happens.